it's your first time here, my name is Faith O, aka Ramblings of Faith O. So I just want to say I hope everyone is having a great month. I know it's like March, and I really wanted to do this video like in February during Black History Month, but you know, life gets ahead of you, and I had other content to put out, but that's okay. We're back. And I got another unboxing. I've been getting rid of a lot of bags, a lot of trying to make space, and I want to just like curate my wardrobe and just have a lot of great pieces. And there is this really great, amazing Black designer named Brandon Blackwood. I'll leave all his links and socials down below in my description box, but he has this really cute bag that kind of went viral like on TikTok or just on social media because it says end systematic racism, and then all the proceeds, or I think a portion of the proceeds, go to towards I sound so fake as fuck, but like it does goes towards something. I don't want to say the ACLU, but it definitely goes towards helping people in the system. I'll leave it on the screen somewhere. And he had like a canvas tote. That was the first bag he came out with. I personally did not want that because there's something about light colored bags in me, and we attract stains, we attract the dirt. Even when I never put it on the floor, it somehow manages to like collect dirt, and I'm always just like, how did you get this stain? So, and then he put a little teaser saying like he's coming out with different colors, and I was like, I'm elated because I want a different color bag. So it's literally been sitting in my room. So it came in, shipping was really fast. I did try to sign up for like his mailing list, like the one that's like on Teflar that notifies you whenever there's a new drop, but for some reason the website was being really weird, and I was like, all right. So I basically stalked him on Instagram for weeks trying to find out when the next drop was. How much was this bag? You know what, we're gonna open it together. And yeah, I don't know why I thought he was based in New York, but he's actually based in California. Or that's probably where he ships out from. I don't know. He just seems really cool, so I just associate like cool designers with New York. Or am I just assuming everyone is no, I knew why, because he says on his thing it's called Brandon Blackwood, New York. This is where it comes in. I'm really into really small bags. I have the Louis Vuitton Poujette in like 2 different colors. And then so got a little personalized note, Brandon Blackwood, New York. So he ships out of New York, but I mean he ships out of California, but he's from New York, I'm assuming, because it's on his card. Yeah, he's just saying thank you for shopping the brand. I'm really excited. Tell me this isn't cute. I got hot pink. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm trying to switch up the background, but pink is like my favorite color of all time. At some point in my life I had a pink bedroom. So yeah, I got it in satin too, which I was kind of nervous about because satin is like one of those, it's not a forgiving fabric on the body, and also it's very hard to get stains out of. But here's my bag, and systematic racism. It's really cute, it feels really great. There's a little snap, and it has a little chain. I wonder if I could like switch this out for like different colors if I wanted to do like, but it just says end systematic racism. I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna put the price on the screen because right now I'm drawing a blank. I think it was less than 100, but more than 50. But it's a really beautiful statement bag. I love this color. I love the message that it stands behind it. And you can also, like I said, do this if you want to wear it as a crossbody and put it on your shoulder if you don't want to hold it like this the entire night. But honest to God, I definitely, I'm trying to support more Black owned businesses, just incorporate more brands that represent or care about people who look like me. So I will definitely recommend this bag. I think it's a great statement piece to have in your closet. Even if you don't end up wearing it out, I think it's just a beautiful piece to own, to make you feel like you're doing something. It's the most passive activism you can do because the money's going towards a really great incentive. So yeah. Comes with this and a little dust bag. I can only say I'm not a fan of this type of dust bag where it's like really thin, and it's just like I don't really know if I'm gonna keep it like that. I probably will, but like I'm not a fan of these types. But overall, I would definitely recommend Brandon Blackwood. He's on social media. Beautiful bag. Will recommend. I'm gonna try to shoot some looks soon, so keep your eye out for this. So thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, and leave some comments. And I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.